Hello everybody, Levi Clay here, and I know you've seen them. Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales. Well, I'm not here to do that. Instead, I wanted to do something a little bit more fun, something completely free. So this year I've decided that for the Christmas period, I am going to create an advent calendar of blues rock guitar licks. So over the next 24 days, I'm going to upload 24 individual videos showcasing a different concept or application of blues rock over a backing track. The licks are going to be 4-bar phrases that will play 4 times over that backing track, and the idea is that by the end of the month you will have absorbed a whole lot more vocabulary. You'll be able to start stitching these ideas together to create your own more fluent ideas when soloing and improvising. So you can wait each day and watch them as they release, but if you want to get all 24 right now, completely free, link in the description, head on over to my website, guidedpracticeroutines.com, and I've hosted all of those videos there for you so you can get ahead if you want to. Speaking of guided practice routines, this video is brought to you by guidedpracticeroutines.com, the place to access my full library of lessons, courses, transcriptions, and guided practice routines. With my unique teach then practice format, we practice together and progress faster. Check it out at the link in the description. So outside of just the licks, I also, of course, have a Discord channel where you can be a member and upload videos of you playing any of these licks. As part of the community, I'll give you all of the feedback that you need to help you push forward and keep improving. Now, these licks will run the gamut. Some of them are going to be very easy. We're going to start out very easy, and towards the end of the month, we're going to play some more taxing or tricky 16th note ideas. But before you jump into the licks, let me give you a little bit of a lesson and a primer on the backing track and how to best go about thinking about scales and arpeggios over this. So, as I said, the track is a Mixolydian vibe, so we're playing A. Now, the way I'm playing the backing track is very simple. I'm kind of thinking like AC/DC. I'm going. So we're just playing an A chord, a G chord, and a D chord. And that gives us, in A, that's going to be A would be the 1, G would be the flat 7, and D will be the 4. So when I see that sort of collection of notes, especially seeing a flat 7, I'm thinking Mixolydian. Now, before worrying about scales, I think arpeggio is probably more important. So before learning these licks, take some time to familiarize yourself with your A7 arpeggios. And primarily, I'll teach you these and play these licks in 3 positions, so learn the arpeggios in 3 positions. So we could play our E-shape arpeggio, there's my chord, and then... So when I'm doing that, I'm just thinking of the chord tones. 1, 3, 5, flat 7. 1, 3, 5, flat 7, 1. Playing that 5th fret, 4, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 8, and then 5. That's the sound of an A7 chord. So you want to be familiar with that sound. So I'll play around that position. I'll also play around my C-shape chord. And of course, if you want to delve deeper into all of this, I do have plenty of courses on guidedpracticeroutines.com where I teach the method. But just the arpeggio, again, same idea. I'm going to think 1, 3, 5, flat 7. 1, 3, 5, flat 7. 1, 3, 5. That's my position. So that would be 12, 11, 9, 12. 12, 11, 9, 12. 10, 9, 12. That's my C-shaped position. When you know those positions, you have a lot of the neck covered. And then finally, my A shape, up at the 12th fret, we'll play 12, 11, 14, 12, 14, 14, 12, 15. And if you wanted to, you could jump up to 17 for the root note. So the whole arpeggio. Now, I'm not just going to make licks out of arpeggios. I'm going to play more notes than just arpeggio notes. And those other notes are going to be the notes of my Mixolydian scale. For thinking Mixolydian scale, we're playing our dominant 7 arpeggio. And we're combining, or we're adding the passing tones of the 6. So 1, flat 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's like a major scale, but with a flat 7. So I'm doing one other thing there. Anytime I'm thinking Mixolydian, I will do this minor to major third thing. That's a big part of playing Mixolydian, in my opinion. And you want to be able to do that everywhere. So if I can play my arpeggio, I should be able to. That's my C shape, and then my A shape, arpeggio, scale. So again, that's my Mixolydian sound. And of course, the one last thing that you have to be able to play for this type of vibe is just the blues scale. Or just pentatonic, adding the flat 5 is always going to add a lot more gritty blues authenticity to your playing. Same idea, can I do it on my E shape? Can I do it on my C shape? And can I do it in my A shape? So all of these scales together are going to give us this nice blues rocky and we're going to be delving deep into that over the coming month. So check out lick number 1 on my channel now, and then head to the link in the description if you want to get all 24 videos right away. But if not, come back to YouTube every day for the next 24 days and you'll have some licks to learn. See you there.